Hello, everybody. Here's Marcelo Torres with TradeWiser with one more Bitcoin analysis. I just did a Brazilian analysis right now. I did it late today. Sorry for that. But here we go. I'm on the 4 hour chart, and I made already some adjustments here. I want to show you guys. As we can see, prices are just touched and tested that downtrend line, the dashed black one here, and it still did not go through. Okay, so it looks to me that we're gonna see some correction going on. Okay, why do I believe that? Because on the relative strength index, we can see here that we already have the line showing that it wants to go down. Okay, and the line and the histogram are both inside the overbought zone, which means it might be time for a correction. Okay, then we go down here to stochastic. Since yesterday at 5 p.m. Brazil time minus UTC minus 3, we are seeing the stochastic saying, I'm going down on the histogram. And then yesterday at 9 p.m. UTC minus 3, Brazil time, we saw the lines also crossing down. Okay, which means that now we have a red circle, and stochastic anticipates what prices are going to do. So we have here right now saying that prices are going down. Okay. If we look the MACD, we also have MACD at 5 a.m. UTC minus 3 Brazil time saying that I'm going down. And as you guys can see, let me put this bigger here because I made some configurations on my indicator, and then it makes me easy to see when my line is saying I'm going down or I'm going up. On this case, it's in red since today at 7 a.m. Brazil time, saying I'm going down, and there it is. It is going down. It's gonna go to the on the this is the K line going in direction to cross down the D line, which is the bottom one. Okay, so then boom, we have the second sign we needed to go down. We already have the histogram going down. Okay, which means we are going down. Looks like there's a correction going on. If we check our lovely and nice and neat um, volume wave, it is fading the blue positive wave, and we can see on the pivot indicator signing that yes, the wave is going down. You are going down. Okay, sir. So that means that we are losing um, that positive strength we had, and look like if the Bitcoin follows what analysis, technical analysis state, it is going down. Okay. Sometimes they say, you know what? Darn you, technical analysis, I'm doing what I want to do, and boom, it does it. Okay. But for now, we have it going down. And as you guys know, these horizontal, sorry for that, pink lines, I moved it from the left side to the right side, putting the being careful to put um, the right side of the arrow, which was on the left side. I moved that arrow to the same position, so I matched the right side from one point on the to the left side on the other point. This way, I'm measuring at a period of time by period of time. So it says that on this point something's going to happen, and there it is. I'm not creating anything. Technical analysis, projection for symmetry or similar move, and there you go. I did the same down here, so it's saying that ahead something might happen. Why not? It starts going. My question is, Why not start going down right here, you know, and it goes down somehow this direction, hits this point right here. Let me move the chart to the left. Excuse me. There you go. Okay, sorry for that. And then why not hitting this bottom on this position of the arrow and start moving up again? Why not? It's a possibility. Okay, let's see how that's going to go on. For now, it is matching nice and neat these arrow things. Okay, the projection by arrow by symmetry here. So for now, we have the volume fading as well. Okay, which means that the prices might go down, but the volume is not supporting it, which means it's just a correction. This is nice. This is neat. Okay. When we go to MACD, the same thing that as I said already, it's going down, but we still don't have the cross under the lines here, so it's still this black circle. We have the volume wave fading. We also have the price spread going down totally, line and histogram, but we still have some money pressure. So even though we have a lot of signs saying I'm going down, the buyers are trying to hold it, you know. I don't know, maybe trying to sell what they have on their hands, or stuff like that. Not sure yet. We have to wait a little bit more to see if that's going to fade as well. Okay, but if we look the Heikiashi chart, see that on the bar, 4 hour bar, the previous one at which was born at 9 a.m. Brazil time, it was a doubt candle. Now we have a negative, also doubt candle. So let's see how that one is going to go on. Okay, for now, it's saying that it's going to go down. When I did the Brazilian analysis a few moments ago, we had positive sign on the short term trend. But right now, we can see that it just changed. So there is a negative uh, trend, short term trend going on right now. Okay, so we have to put it red. That's it. So there we go. This is what we have for now on the 4 hour chart. Okay, so let's see how that one's going to go by the end of the day today, 9 a.m. Brazil time. Okay. Um, so what do we have here for as Fibonacci? If it really goes down, the first level that the prices already made the minimum is a 23.6% Fibonacci at 7,276. And if it keeps on going down, we're going to get the next level, which is a 38.2% of Fibonacci at 7162. I don't believe it's going to go further than that. But if it does, the next one we have is the 50% Fibonacci level at 7070. Okay, that's it for the 4 hour chart. Let's check quickly the 1 hour chart, which is a very, very, very intraday one. Here we go. We have prices not being able to cross that um, downtrend line. So it's still going down. But since it already went down, the stochastic saying it wants to go up. So right now we have a positive move for the 1 hour chart. Okay, looks like it's going sideways. Let's see how that's going to go on. But we have the relative strength totally going down. Okay, which means that the the stochastic might only be making a correction to go down. Okay, check that the volume is not supporting these moves. It's supporting more the positive move than the negative move, which makes me believe that at least it's going to go sideways. But notice that we have the Bollinger Band. It is shrinking. It is getting very thin. So I believe that sometime still today we might see some rally on prices of Bitcoin prices, and it has to go to some direction. I need more information to know what direction that's going to be, but it's going down. I have a lot of indications saying it's going down. So why not? We have an explosion down. Okay. Um, for the MACD, it is going down, totally down. All right. See, there it is, a red. We have the on volume wave. We have the stochastic, the volume wave. We have the negative wave fading, starting to build a positive wave. Let me show you guys here. But when we look to the the pivot volume wave, we see that it's saying no, 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 it is going down. Okay, so my question is, do we need one more negative bar before beginning a real blue wave, or we're gonna have a subsequent negative wave, which confirms that everything's going down? Let's see how this is gonna close in the next hour or two. Let's see how it looks like here. Let me check this out. Just a sec. Put it down. We have 33 minutes to see this 1 hour bar finishing and appearing a new one. For now, we have on the 1 hour chart saying that the money pressure is negative. We see also that the spread price is negative. And let's see here the buy sell trend. We almost have a negative sign of the short-term trend. If that guy crosses down, then yes, we do have more indications of correction than a force trying to break out the the black the black. See, I'm signing here, the black downtrend line. Okay, let's see. We need an hour or two to make sure how that's going to happen. In case we see a breakout of this downtrend line, the I made this. Let me make this chart bigger. Here we go. Where did I get this blue arrow? I got it from here. We had the prices accumulating inside the pink upper trend channel. Once it broke out this channel, now I have the opening of the channel. I made a copy of the size of it to the breakout point, so we might reach the 8,400 price for Bitcoin if it does go up and if it does break the downtrend black dash line. Okay, but we have to see some pressure on that. For now, we can move this line right here. We have right now a new trend line saying where prices can go down. Okay, here we go. It can't go further than that. If it does, then Houston, we have a problem with prices going down. For this 1 hour chart, I'm going to draw for you guys also a Fibonacci so we can have more details on its move. Here we go. That's it. Right now, we already touched the minimum, like I said, on the 4 hour chart. We already touched a 33.6% Fibonacci at 72.86. Okay. Next level is 38.2 Fibonacci, 71.77. So let's see how that's going to go on. And at the worst case scenario, it can't go further for the next few hours. It can't go further than the Fibonacci 50% at 70.90. If it does, then Houston, we have a problem. Okay, sir, madam, that's it for the 1 hour chart. Let's see quickly the how the weekly chart is going as well. The daily chart first. We still have forces going up, okay, but see that we had lost the money pressure on the daily chart. It is with a red circle right here, okay. red circle going on right here on the money pressure. We have still a spread, positive price spread going on, but notice that we have a beginning of a born red candle. It's a doubt candle, and if it increases negative, then we will see the spread price going negative as well. We still have on the daily chart, we still have the positive short-term trend. So let's see if that's going to continue. Okay. But when we check out the Heikiashi graph chart, we can see that as price increase, we do have volume decreasing. There's no support on this uptrend price. Okay, check. Be careful on that. Also notice here it's very visible. We have the Bollinger Band. It is getting straight. So something is gonna happen in the next few hours before we close the day for this candle, which is 9 p.m. Brazil time, UTC -3. We might see this price starting to break out somewhere. It's already starting to go out of the Bollinger Band, so let's watch out on that one. Okay, what else do we have? We still have here the the volume wave pivot saying that the volume wave is increasing. So it is actually it's still blue. So we have to see how far this blue wave is still gonna go. Okay. Everything is showing that it's not going to go further. But since we're talking about the daily chart, it's going to take like forever to see something going down. And even though if it goes down, we are still inside the uh, we are here inside the upper trend channel. So there's a lot of room for this channel for these prices to move. It can go down to something like 6,700, which is still a good price, still a nice price, and it's just getting some power in order to spread up again. Okay, that is for the daily chart. Let's go for the weekly chart. Let me just okay, I have the wrong chart here. So let's see what we have. This is the 1 hour chart. This is the 4 hour chart. Hi, here I am. This is the daily chart. I want to see the weekly chart. Let me open it here for you guys. Here you go. Here you go. And here you go. Here you go. Nope, I don't want to leave it. Opening. Hour chart, the weekly chart. Let me open also the monthly chart. Okay, so there it goes. It is opening. Look at the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we can see that we still have that bottom reversal going on. Okay, that is nice. We still have some positive move on that, and actually, we're getting more positive move on that. For instance, check out the the volume wave pivot. It is saying I'm going blue. All right, so this red or negative wave is decreasing. It's fading. We have to see now sometime in the next few weeks. We have to see this blue wave starting to come up. Okay, we have on the weekly chart we have the short-term trend positive. We have the stochastic totally positive, saying I'm going up. Here it is. Okay, and we have to see the relative strength moving totally positive. We still don't have that, but it's okay. It's gradually going up, so this is nice. But when we go to the monthly chart, we can see that the monthly chart is saying I'm still negative, and which is not nice is that we have here It looked like a formation of a subsequent negative wave. We can see that the pivot is saying, I'm wanting to keep going on negative, okay? So, but it's still a monthly shot. It's not gonna take like forever. It's gonna overpass the Bitcoin halving. So there's a lot to go yet. Okay, that's it, folks. Thank you very much. Remembering that this analysis is available on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and LinkedIn. Okay. My disclaimers say that my opinion is just my opinion.